channel, and today we're going to be opening Nichole Jacklyne slime. And let's get to it. It's raining. And in 5 more days is my birthday. 4 more days. So
oh my gosh!
Candy. Oh yeah. So first she gave us like a little bag with the tea we're ordering. Coupon. And then some borax and a candy. And we don't need it. Oh my gosh. This is what came in it. First we have the peach and cream slime.
Mint chocolate chip ice cream. Actually has little chips inside.
And the Squid Game. Okay, now let's open it. That's all. Okay. And I think this one's butter slime. I forgot. I know this one's cloud slime, I think. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Oh well. Let's just. Okay. I'll open this quick one. Okay, you can open it. Whoa.
It smells just like it.
This one's supposed to smell like, I think, brownie. That one's supposed to smell like exactly like it. Smells
oh my
good.
gosh.
Okay. I think this one's supposed to be like
Kind of sticky.
crunchy.
This smells so good.
I think it needs to be like a little bit warm because it's like really cold right now.
And it smells so good.
It smells like Oreo.
And it actually pops.
Emma!
And it's so soft.
I found the charm. I got
Oh, the pop. Okay.
Squid Game. I don't think a charm came out. This one feels good. I like how it smells. It smells like the top of the Oreo.
Well, that's sweet.
Okay.
What do you rate it out of 10? 1 to 10. I rate it a 9. It's so good. And it smells too.
I rate this a 10. A 10 out of 10. Like how it feels. Here's that one. And then the peach one.
Oh my
gosh.
charm.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's actually fuzzy.
It is.
It's a peach.
What did you think? It's slippery.
Oh, what is this?
It's cloud slime. It has
Scented peach. Smells just like it.
Oh, it smells good. Emma. Okay, I can't really get the slime off of it, but this is the Charmin Cube one.
Feels
I don't
so
know if
weird. I didn't know this was cloud slime. Wet.
It's kind of slippery.
There's stuff. I think it's from like the beaches.
Emma. Okay, and that's the last time I got it. I think we might need to put them on.
And yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
And
Okay. I think the Squid Game one's my favorite.
I think this one. I don't know about this one.
I like the
really-
smell, boy.
But yeah, this one's probably the best one out of all of them.
Yeah, it's like kind of slippery.
Yeah. And what we got here? Oh. And her website is
And her website is called
shop Nichole Jacklyne
okay, here it is.
.com.
Here's her website. And yeah. She makes slime, I think. She sells fidgets too. I saw those. I was looking.
Yeah.
Okay. And thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
Make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
And Happy New Year's if we don't make a video before.
And happy late Christmas.
Bye, Princess fans.